My kitchen lighting is not going to show you what I saw on eBay. This is a Farberware 3-quart, one of the later models. It looked like it was in a fire. And that's why I was intrigued. He wanted $24.99 and like $10 shipping. So $35 shipped. And that's very good getting both inserts, the strainer and the double boiler. Cue the pictures. Cue the pictures. And I kept looking at those pictures, and the bottom looked new. The inside looked new, but corroded. And the outside, it looked heat damaged. And they have an 8-quart. It's still up there right now. Really horrible. It looks like they tried to wipe it down. These look new. I don't see any utensil marks. Regardless, my interest was piqued, and I thought, let's restore it. Let's clean it up. $35 was a very good price. This is probably like late 80s, maybe early 90s. We're gonna get out our mother's mag. Our mother's mag and our barkeeper's friend. Let's clean her up. Let's see what we get. Good Thursday morning. Well, I bought the... I'm screaming again. Good Thursday morning. Well, I bought the stock pot. I couldn't resist. Now, I already made the video for the 3-quart. I'm a little lost. I'm a little lost. Good Thursday morning. The machining looks clean, and there is this horrible spotting. And I just had to buy it and clean it. I want to clean it and see what it looks like. And then I'm done. I'm done. No more Farberware for me. Unless I find a brand new 12-quart with the black handles, the flat black handles. Those are really hard to find. I have a used one. But that's it. I'm done. No more Farberware collecting. Let's clean this up and see what we get. I know. Just when you think you're out, they pull you back in. 12-inch Farberware aluminum clad omelet pan. On Etsy, they had the 12-inch. This completes this line. There were 3, an 8, a 10, and a 12. But boy, is this in good shape. I don't know if all of this hazing is going to come up with the mother's mag. It's just a beauty. I can't wait to clean it. I can't wait to use it. Let's just measure it. See if it really is 12. Oh, wait a minute. It's 12 and a half. I love it when they call a pan 12, but they take into account the lip. This is my last Farberware. I am done. Let's clean it up.